Okay, so we are going to take a look at how to advance the chorus section of Back in Black. Let's start with a recap of how the chorus section goes using just individual strings. Okay, so the first part was A, E, B. Okay, now remember that B is played by just taking your first finger and placing it on the second fret of the A string. So all we do is go A, E, B. We repeat that line, A, E, B. We then move on to G, D, A. And again, you can see in here, that's just using G, D, A. That line also goes twice. Then we're back to A, E, B. And again, A, E, B. Now the ending of the chorus, we're going to go open G. So I want you to hit the G and the B strings. Just like that, at the same time, the G and the B strings. Now you could also go D, G, and B strings if you wanted. We count to 4, that's called a whole note. When we strike something on the first beat and let it ring for 4 beats, that's called a whole note. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to end the chorus by going D, D, D. And the singer's going back in black, so we're following the melody line. Alright, so we put our entire chorus together. It's going to sound like this. Try and play along if you can. I'll call out the changes. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, E, B. A, E, B. G, D, A. G, D, A. A, E, B. A, E, B. G, 2, 3, 4, D, D, D. Now that's the chorus section. You may have noticed that we didn't start on beat 1 when we play A, E, B and G, D, A. We don't start on beat 1. We play on what's called the and of 1. So the and of 1 is what's called an eighth note. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That would be how to count one measure of eighth notes. So we play on the and of 1. The count just after 1, so 1 and, right? So your chorus would come in and go 1 and, 1 and, again, 1 and. Alright, so you'll hear what's called a crash cymbal on beat 1. That's when the drummer hits the metal looking thing called a crash cymbal. Right? It has like a little chimey sound to it. So listen for that, and then you're going to come in right afterwards with your chorus. Now, if you wanted to, you can take this chorus to the next level by using chords. So instead of playing just the A string, you would use the A chord. Now we use that in the verse section of Back in Black. Right? So you could use A chord, E chord, and stay right there for the B. A chord, E chord, B. And then the G, we would hit D, G, and B. G, and then the D chord, D, and A, and repeat the same thing. G, D, A. Stay there for the A, E, B. Repeat. A, E, B. Then the G chord for a whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then D, D, D. That's your chorus section. Only try that once you have memorized the pattern using single strings. Okay, that's really the foundation you want to lay down for yourself. Okay, so A, E, B, G, D, A, repeat, hit the open G for 4 beats, and then close out on D, D, D. Okay, so review this video as many times as you need to really get it down, and then try it with the slowed down version of the MP3 that was sent in the email. We'll catch you next time.